people, call them to repentance. I mean, speak up, I'm good. Speak up a little. Call our people to repentance. You know what I'm saying? And give them the true understanding of who they are, our heritage, our culture, and things of that nature, right? There's one thing that our people, that is a stronghold on our people, right? That the Christianity churches, they push heavy, you know what I mean? Which is free will, man. Which is you can do pretty much whatever you want to do. Pretty much, you got more power than the Most High. If the Most High got something planned for you, He got something destined for you, then you got the power to tell Him no. But on the same side, if your boss tell you to do something, you don't have the power to tell him no. You got to do it to get your ass fired. Right. You see what I mean? Our people are confused. All right.
It's the book of Proverbs, chapter 16, verse 9. A man's heart devises his way, but the Lord directeth his steps.
The Lord directs your steps, man. All right? So you might got a plan in your head that, all right, tomorrow I'm going to wake up, I'm going to go to the store. All right? I done did plenty of jobs. I'm going to wake up and I'm going to go to the store. Next thing I know, I done slept. You know what I mean? Past my alarm clock, I'm waking up late. I'm like, damn, I done missed my chance. I done missed the time that I'm supposed to go do something. That's because the Most High God has something else for that day for me to do, right? So you might sit up there and think that, okay, I choose to do this, or I'm gonna make this happen. I'm gonna go this way. The Lord got another way for you, man. All right? Just like all of us out here. Pretty much when I talk to all the brothers, we weren't really looking for this. You see what I'm saying? We just went to it. You know what I'm saying? We was drawn here, it just happened, right? We weren't just on the search for, what's the Israelite? We weren't looking for that. You know what I'm saying? In some way, somehow, the Most High woke us up to this, man, because it was His will, not ours. That's right.
It's the book of Jeremiah, chapter 10, verse 23. O Lord, I know that the way of man is not in himself.
The way of man is not in himself, right? The way of you is truly not up to you, man. No matter if you got it in your conscience that it's you doing this, you choose to do this, all because there was a guy a couple weeks ago, me and Ron talking to when was over there at the battle action. He was like, even to he believed that the Most High, eventually you will do the Lord's will, right? But he believed that you can pick and choose the details of how you get there, right? Go ahead. He did.
It is not in man that walketh to direct his steps.
It's not in the man to direct the steps, man. It's all, everything's up to the Most High God, bro. He's gonna direct your steps, man. He's the one that's gonna wake you up, right? He the one that's gonna have the trees. The trees grow a certain time of the year. In the springtime, the trees blossom, right? At a certain time, the leaves fall off in the fall. At certain times, you get cold. Things start freezing, right? You got all these seasons, man. All that's according to the Most High will. That's Him doing that, right? So if the earth follows His will, follow His order, what makes you think you beyond that? You big and better than that, right?
This is Psalms chapter 119, verse 133. Order my steps in thy word, and let not any iniquity have dominion over you.
That's right. Order my steps in His word, and let no iniquity have dominion over us, man. All right? So the Most High is going to order your steps, right? If you are that predestined person, you see what I'm saying? If you are that chosen person, He's going to order your steps to the right. Right? And He's not going to let iniquity have power over you. All right? That's why it's going to be easy to do His laws, statutes, and commandments. Because He's going to put that spirit on you that you're going to do it. Right? Either there or you know what I'm saying, born in vain. He's going to put the evil spirit on you like He did Saul, man. All right? He's going to use you for a certain time and then turn you over and you're going to be a reprobate, man. It's all up to the Most High, man. All right?
And secondly, if we have free will, why is He asking for that? That's David in Psalms. Why would He be asking for that? If He had free will to do whatever He wanted. That's madness, man.
Book of Numbers, chapter 24 and 13. If Balak will give me his house full of silver and gold, I cannot go beyond the commandment of the Lord to do either good or bad of my own mind. But what the Lord saith, that will I speak.
So that's how I live right there, right? Right. So he's saying that he can't money, he didn't give him the money, his house, whatever, but he cannot go beyond what the Most High has commanded him to do. All right? So you can try to say you got free will, but he can't even choose to, if you pay me this money, if you give me your house, I cannot go beyond what the Most High has instructed for me to do. I can't do it. Right? It's not of me. It's not my choice. It's of the Most High choice, man. And our people gotta understand that. You can't just sit up here because our people got this complex that they think that they can choose to have faith or to worship the Most High God. Well, just like old boy just walked by. You believe in God of the Bible? Nah, I believe in myself. All right, well, leash the Most High, you know what I'm saying, put the spirit upon you to repent, bro. You destined for destruction. All right. You really mark yourself because that's Satanism, right? I believe in myself. I don't believe in yourself, but yourself for giving yourself cancer by smoke. It makes no sense. That's the our people are just confused, man. All right.
This is Romans chapter 9, verse 19. Thou wilt say then unto me, why doth he yet find fault? For who hath resisted his will?
Who have what?
Resisted his will.
Who has the power to resist the Most High's will, man? Who has done that? No one, right? Who was that tried to? Was that Jonah?
Jonah.
Yeah. He tried to. It didn't happen.
That's really a perfect example of why we don't have free will. Verse 20. Nay, but O man, who art thou that repliest against God?
Who are you to reply against God and say, you know what, God, no, I'm not going to do that. I don't feel like doing that. Who are you? Right. You just a man, right? You just a creation. How you going to tell the creator, no, I'm not going to do that? This make no sense.
Shall the thing formed say to him that formed it, why hast thou made me thus?
Should a thing formed? Tell the one that formed it. Why have you made me thus? Why have you did this to me? You know what I'm saying? Who are you to question God? Matter of fact, give me a hold and give me Job 7:17, one of my favorite ones. Alright? Because that's a proud spirit that you got upon you. You think that you can sit up and tell the Most High, no, I'm not doing something. Right? That really shows your lack of belief and your lack of faith. Alright? Because you really think that you're more powerful than the all-powerful, almighty God, man. Right? You out your mind.
Job chapter 7, verse 17. What is man that thou shouldest magnify him?
What is man that thou shouldest magnify him? What are you, right? That you can sit up and tell the Most High God, why you make me like this? I don't like that.
Right.
Right? Like, that's why they got all these transgenders running around now. Because they really tell the Most High, well, no, he made a mistake and put my spirit
in another body.
Yeah, in another body. Right? Most High didn't make a mistake. You really need to be in a Mooney house, man.
Right.
You out your mind.
Right.
Okay?
And that thou shouldest set thy heart upon him.
And then that really gets
What is man?
Oh, okay, so like, and then thou should have set your heart upon this man, right? Lifting up this man and doing this man and follow after this man, right? Lifting him up before you doing the Most High. Why ask you the dirt and solid, right?
This book of Psalms, chapter 24 from the top. The earth is the Lord's.
The earth is the Lord's, man. All right, this whole planet, man, this whole globe we on, is the Lord's, man. All right, go ahead.
And the fullness thereof.
And the fullness thereof, everything in it belongs to the Most High, man.
That's right.
People got to get that understanding, get that understood. Nothing in this earth is done without the Most High's, you know what I'm saying, basically okay. All right, he the big CEO, he's the big boss, man.
That's
all
right.
And nothing on this earth is done without his okay, done without him saying, oh, well, that can be done in spirit being put on it, whether it's on the left hand side or it's on the right hand side.
Right. The world and they that dwell therein.
The world and they that dwell therein all belong to the Most High God, man. Right? That's why he has the wicked made fitted for destruction. Even the wicked are his too. You see what I'm saying? Even the wicked are his too. The righteous are his also. Everything in this earth belongs to him. The animals, the trees, you know what I'm saying? The stars, the sky, the waters, everything in the ocean, everything belongs to him, and everything does is programmed them to do. Okay?
Verse 2. For he has found.
The point really is verse 13, but I'm going to start at 9 to get the context. This is Matthew chapter 6, verse 9. After this manner, therefore pray ye, our Father which art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. It's talking about the Most High. Now, verse 13. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil.
So it's up to him to lead you from temptation, to lift you from evil, right? It's not something that you can just do. Self-will yourself. Okay.
And it has a colon, so it's a continuing thought to prove what he just said. For thine, the Most High, for thine is the kingdom, going to the dominion, and power, and the glory forever. Amen.
So in him is the power, right? The dominion, and for everything. It's his, man. Everything belongs to the Most High. He rules everything upon this planet Earth, bro. You know what I'm saying? Including the spirits of man, and how you move, and how you go about your day, right? How you think, and how you process information, right? He's the one that put the spirit upon you for you to go about that way, man. All right? So I say, he put the spirit upon us for us to wake up. You know what I'm saying? Come to the truth. All praise to the Most High God that he did it, man.
That's right.
We
Right.
could be out here in the congregation of the dead, bugged out our mind like a lot of these people, man. Buying tissue and noodles.
They just laying back on what he said. You know, the Most High got to draw us into this thing. We didn't look for this. You know, John chapter 6, verse 44. No man can come to me except the Father which has sent me draw him, and I will raise him up at the last day.
So no man is gonna come to the Father unless he sent them there, man. So I mean, I don't even need an exegesis, man. I don't need a breakdown, right? If you don't understand that, I don't know what to tell you.
Right.
Nobody comes to him unless he sent them, man. Right? So it's up to him to wake you up, to wake you up, man, to have you come to this truth, to have you gain this knowledge. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. All praise, bro. We could have been out here, man, still stuck in this world, bro, still doing all kind of abomination, all kind of wickedness. You know what I'm saying? Just doing all kind of crap. But he woke us up, man, and we standing out here being a righteous man, repentant man, right? Man that our nation could look up to, man. All right? And that's a glorious thing, man. We're just gonna be out here for purpose. Right? True sincerity. They need to be pushed out to true sincerity. Need to come from my brothers, man. Not this, you know what I'm saying? This old lukewarm spirit.
That's right.
This is Proverbs chapter 20, verse 24. A man's goings are of Yahweh.
A man's what?
Goings are of Yahweh.
A man's goings are of the Most High, man. The way a man goes, the way a man moves, they're of the Most High, bro. Go ahead.
How can a man then understand his own way?
You don't even understand half the crap that you're doing, right? You don't understand why you made a decision to maybe take this job but not take this one. Why you went to that dealership and you got that car over that one. You don't truly understand that. You might say your mind, well, I think you get better gas mileage, or whatever. The Most High might have made you get that car because it was just better for you at that time in that situation.
Right.
You see what I'm saying? Some things are beyond us, beyond our process, beyond what our mind can process. We all know that, all right? Sure. But it's some things that our mind just can't process, man. All right? So we lean on, we look towards the Most High to help us figure out things that's beyond us. All right? Because we understand that the Most High leads us, and we're happy about it. We're okay with our life. What's the Christian thing they always say? They say in my church all the time. Let God take the wheel or something like that. Jesus take the wheel. Okay. We don't have a problem with that. You know what I'm saying? With the Most High controlling the wheel. We'll ride in the passenger seat because we got true faith and true trust in him that he's not going to lead us the wrong way, right? We're not going to say that we're going to fight against it. We're going to try to grab the wheel. No. Right? We're going to sit back and we're going to just go on this ride. Man.
That's right.
All right?